violation by Magsino. Sir Jonathan dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Pump it. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 13. Loose ball by main branch. Dubai branch ball. Sir Jonathan dribbling the ball. Pass to the center. Pick. He's at 3 seconds.
3 seconds na to.
Number 1.
Nagmamadali si Kuya Roy. Huwag mo ano.
Dexter dribbling the ball. It's a foul. Foul by Sir Jonathan. First team foul. Main branch ball. Deroa. Pass to number 15. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by Magsino. Intercepted. Take a shot. Magsino. 2 point. Magsino. 2 points. Dribbling the ball. Number 7. Pass to number 1. Take a shot. No good. Shot. Rebound by Magsino. Deroa. Pass to number 35. CJ takes a shot. 2 points. It's at 2 points. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Finding his teammates. Penetrate. Up. There's a reason. Power up. By number 1. Pass to number 18. Pass to numbers. They're intercepted. Pass break. CJ. It's an easy basket. Number 18. Pass to number 1. Up. It's a 3 seconds violation again by number 1. Number 15. Quaresma. Pass to number 18. Number 15, penetrate, take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 18, nagmamadali. Up. CJ. No good. CJ dribbling the ball. Is there another foul? Number? It's other way. It's a 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation. Sir Jonathan, pass to number 1. Number 1 picks. Gripes. Pick. No good. Rebound by number 5. Magsino to CJ. Finding his teammates. Take a shot for 3. No good. By ball.
Sino na nanalo sa mga Budayran, di ba? Sa badminton,
Score
Budayran,
is
di ba?
6-2 in favor of main branch. Dexter. Nagpapadali. Up. Pass to the Roha. CJ, number 15. Penetrates. Find his teammates. It's another 3 seconds violation by Dexter Capertero.
Puro 3 seconds lang yung tao.
Dribbling the ball. Pass number 18. Penetrate. Take a shot. No good. Short. Magsino. No good. Number 18. No good. Intercepted by Popol. Isang gulong naman dyan.
5 minutes!
Paul, pass to number 25, CJ for 3, short. It's a foul. Foul by number 10. 2 free throw is rewarded to number 15. Substitution rep, number 31 in. Sino lumabas? Magsino out.
Sub, main branch! Medic, medic.
Carpentero out. Bong in. Number 15 is awarded by 2 free throw. First free throw is short.
Dami.
Second free throw by number 15. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass to Sir Jonathan. Sir Jonathan is dribbling the ball, penetrating. Pass to number 10. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Dribbling the ball. Pass. Intercepted. It's intercepted.
3 seconds.
Foul left. It's a foul. Committed by number?
3 seconds.
Who's foul? Kanino foul? Ah, wala.
Kahit sino.
Basta sa kabila.
Umamin kayo.
Bong. Bong, naghahanap ng teammate. Pinasa kay number 15. CJ. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 10. Intercepted by Diroa. Diroa, no good. It's a foul. Foul.
Anong tawag?
By number.
Anong tawag? Anong tawag?
Number 10, foul. Diroa is awarded for 2 free throw.
Si Joseph Palas. Running time.
Not good. Last throw. Score is 6-4 in favor of main branch. 6-4 in favor of main branch.
Miskol.
No good. Rebound by Bong. Bong, finding his teammate. Number 18, Diroa. Number 15, take a shot. No good. Rebound by number 35. Number 35 is intercepted by number 18. Number 18, pass to Sir Jonathan. Sir Jonathan, take a shot. No good. It's a foul.
Daya,
It's a
forget.
foul.
Foul plus VIP.
CJ,
Foul plus VIP. Foul plus VIP.
foul plus PIP. Sir Jonathan is awarded by 2 free throw. Shout out sa Miss Jan sa kakapasok lang. Second free throw. No good. Rebound by Bong. Bong slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to CJ. CJ find his teammates. Find number 15. Pass to CJ again. CJ slowly dribbling the ball. Finding
Wala na pala
10
dito.
seconds shot clock. 9, 8,
Nandito pa nakatutok. Nandito na pala.
Dubai ball. Score is 6-4 in favor of main branch. Time? Ilan pa po ang oras? Jun, oras?
3 minutes, 20 seconds.
3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the first half. Main branch ball. Bong is dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. Number 15 slowly finding his teammates.
Bawal kumain.
Pass to number 6. Number 6, Bong take a shot. No good. Rebound by Paul. Paul, rebound by Paul. Oh, it's a foul. It's a foul. Committed by number 18. Paul is awarded 2 free throw. First throw of Paul. Short. Very short.
Bawal dito sa loob ah.
Second throw. It's a basket. In favor of main branch. Number 1, up. There's a foul, rep. Number 18, Diroa. First team foul.
10 minutes lang.
Hindi ko walang di kami kakain.
Sa bahay na kami kakain.
Dubai ball. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 10. Find his teammate. Number 1. Pass to number 18. For 3. No good. It's a 3 seconds violation by number 10.
2 minutes! 2 minutes!
Last 2 minutes. Ball. Pass to CJ. Tries for three. For three, no good. Dubai. Dubai ball. Same ball. The score is 7-4 in favor of Main Branch. Running time is
1 minute 40 seconds.
1 minute and 40 seconds and the first quarter. Ball penetrates, intercepted by number 18. Number 18. Take a shot. No good. Rebound. Number 1. Counted. Up. Rep. It's not counted. It's foul. Baba. Not counted, ma'am. Not counted. Not counted. Baba. Number 7, Sir Jonathan, pass to number up. Same ball. Same ball.
Nag-ano siya?
1 minute. Last 1 minute.
Same ball. Last 1 minute to end the first quarter of the game. Number 1, take a shot. It's easy, 2 points by number 1.
Dali na lang.
Ma'am, 2 points, 2 points, Dubai. Ma'am, 2 points.
Sorry.
CJ tries for 3. Wow, nothing but net. CJ for 3. So Jonathan penetrates. Pass to number 1. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by Sir Jonathan. Take a shot. No good. Number 1. It's an easy 2 points.
15 seconds. 10. 9.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Anong score ta?
It's the end of first quarter. Score is 10-8 in favor of Main Branch. Only a 2-point lead by Main Branch.
Ay, hindi po ba?
Second half pa lang.
Sab!
Dalawa kasi yan. First half tsaka second half.
Medic kasi, sir.
Yossi.
Medic!
Si Kuya Wilson pag hininga yung Yossi.
Yuri, sama ka na.
Ayaw niya. Tabihan na lang.
Wala nang Dubai. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sige, ako na. Naglaro si Wala
Galing yan, tingnan mo. Kain yan.
Second half na yan.
Yossi!
Kakapasok mo lang.
Ano, Yossi?
Hindi na kasi nag-aataw yun. Asan na yung referee?
Si Chef PJ. Outside.
Kitang-kita kasi. Ay,
Bumangga, giba.
lalaki eh.
Bumangga kay Ian, giba.
May cabinet sa gitna eh.
Rebound by Serena. Ayan.
ka.
Side Sergio.
Grabe eh.
No? Nakakabinit sa gitna, oh.
Number 18, dribbling the ball. Ilaksak. Patay. Ang naglas. Score. Score. Dubai score.
Teka lang, huwag kayo magalit.
Chef LJ. Nababa ang bola.
Gagalit ulit
Pass to
kayo.
CJ. Chef LJ. Pass to Kuya Paul. Still by number 18. Dinidribble ang bola. Pinasa kay Sir Wilson. Outside.
Ang ginagawa mo.
Dubai ball. Main branch na rin.
Naghahabang sa dulo ko.
Paul dribbling the ball. Paul pinasa kay Ringo. Paul ulit. Kay Paul ulit. Ayaw ko pinasa sa 18. Dribble the ball, ha? Dubai score. CJ. Dribble the ball.
Kayo magalit.
Ano, medic?
CJ crossover.
Ano, medic na? Yossi! Yossi!
Paul. Bigay kay CJ, tumira 3. Wala. Ball by Ian. Paparoy. 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 Still by CJ. CJ finish. 2 points by CJ. Second
Nagis agad doon.
violation. Main branch ball.
Sino?
Oras schedule.
6 minutes and 40 seconds.
6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Pinasabag.
Ano? Basta?
Score 12-14 in
Sorry,
favor of
baliktad. Baliktad, main.
14-42. Ano pa ba? 20 yan.
Sorry naman.
score 14-12 in favor of main branch. LJ pinasa kay Dexter. Dexter tumira. Wala. Babalik sa LJ. Ringo. CJ tumira si CJ. Wala.
Nagpa-extend si sir. Nagpa-extend si sir.
Same ball, main branch ball.
Medic, medic.
Dexter, lusot yung bola, tumira. Wala. Bang. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Number 18, sinalaksak. Tumira. Basket. Counted.
Ito na.
One throw. One free throw.
Ito na.
Shooting foul. Score 14 all. Oras schedule
5 minutes 30. 5 minutes 30 seconds.
Ang oras ay 5 minutes 30 seconds. Kuya Paul, binigay kay Dexter. Dexter, nabol. Oy, ingat lang.
Yung volleyball ako.
Number 18 ulit. Pinasa sa loob. Pinasa rin. Dubai ball. Oras schedule.
Sergio, nagpa-extend ko ng 1 hour.
Ang oras ay 5 minuto. Ang oras niya natin sa iyo ng Efficacent Oil. Sakit at panamaga. Efficacent Oil. Number 18. 2 points. Ringo, dribbling the ball. Ringo, alam mo kung saan papasok kay Kuya Paul yan. Kuya Paul, tumira. Number 18, nasa baba, nakabang. Pinasa pa. Number 1, Mikot. Ganda. Nice finish by number 1. Ringo, bumababa. Ringo, dribbling the ball. Pass to Chef LJ. Still by Dubai. Number 18. Pinasa sa number 10. Tinira. Uy, ball. Hindi na ball. Dubai.
Wala daw
ball.
timeout, wala.
Bola pa ng Dubai.
Aw, meron ba?
Timeout! Dubai Brand! Main branch ball, main branch.
Boy, nilagyan ko kaya. Pinapagalitan niya ako ni Chef Nico.
Main branch ball.
Okay na, Jude. Ay,
Score 14-20 in favor of Dubai. Oras mo dun.
Oras na para
Ang oras ay
Tara na.
naglaro lang ilang minuto.
CJ.
segundo
On the ball.
Para sa ganun lang siya.
Gagi Yossi na naman ako.
10 seconds shot. Patay ang naglaso. That 3 points is brought to you by
Kaya pa.
Tres, di ba? 3 points, di ba?
Nice one!
Shooting foul.
Ay,
2 free throw.
Foul plus PIP!
Foul by
Plus PIP.
Sir Carlo.
PIP!
Score 17-20 in favor of Dubai pa rin.
hindi ka nag-shot. Mag-shot.
Sergio, first throw is not good.
Wait, our gentleman, our boss.
Just wait. Just wait.
Time out niyo muna.
Second throw.
Community timeout! Community timeout!
1 point by Sergio. Ringo. Pinasay shot LJ. Shot LJ. Tinira. Foul. 2 free throw. Back
Hey,
set.
time out!
Time out!
Time out! Time out!
Time out!
Samyo.
Time out!
Naniningil na. Kuryente. Puputulan daw.
Kalipa. Pumunta daw siyang kalipa, sir.
Naniningil na, kuryente daw.
Naniningil lang kuryente.
Take is brought to you by Shine Restaurant. Ang murang biryani sa Muror.
China!
Papa Roy, binababa bola ng Papa Roy.
Pangkain mo, Papa Roy!
Papa Roy. Lulukpas.
Nahulog pas!
Outside. Main branch ball.
Last!
Circle. Last 3 minutes. Circle now putting the ball in the shot. Tinira. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Pinasa sa number 18. Score 17-21. Sinalaksak. Tinira. Wala. Foul. Who's foul? Chef.
Okay.
Wala na.
7-21, favor of Dubai. That score is brought to you by That score is brought to you by Egyptian Bakery. Ang bakery na 24 hours.
Hindi ah.
Score, oras.
Ito na score.
Oras yun.
1 minute and 30 seconds!
Launa na.
23 seconds.
Galit agad ka.
Ang oras na yan ay din sa inyo na Ginebra, San Miguel, sige, tumira ng 3! Wala. Rebound by number 18. Pinasa sa number 1. Pinasa ulit sa number 10. Still Ringo, pinadalang bola, pinababa.
Pantay mo! Oh!
Tumira.
Ano?
Shooting foul. 2 free throw ba? Go.
Nahabol ba tama?
2 free throw. Oras, Eugene.
Last 1 minute!
Ang oras ay 1 minuto ang natitira sa second half. Ang score ay 17-22 in favor of Dubai. That score is brought to you by Shine Restaurant. Parata at sauce. Mamaya na daw. Madam. Ang oras ay 1 minuto. Time change brought to you by Paul Lindemann. Ringo, second throw, wala. Rebound by number 18, number 18. Pinapatay nila oras. Oras! Second!
Last 1 minute na. 50
50
seconds. 60.
seconds. Ano, pasarap. Number 1, score! Bye ball.
40
Stepping on
seconds.
the line.
4-0.
Score 17-21. That score is brought to you by Shine Restaurant.
40 seconds.
Traveling violation.
25 seconds.
Main branch ball.
Running. 20 seconds. 20.
20 seconds. Sige, tumira ng Perez.
16.
Wala. Rebound by Ringo. Ringo, pinasa sa
11.
Step back by Sergio.
8. 7.
Sergio, kaya ang bola.
5. 4.
Sergio.
3.
City ball. 2 free throw. 2 free throw. Di pa tapos ang ating laro, mga kaibigan.
Dito na lang, Pedro.
Last throw. That is the end of the second half. Score 17-24. Winner, Dubai Branch and the management office. That game is brought to you by Ginebra San Miguel, Granados,